What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela. Today we are learning about what it's like to be hard of hearing and wearing hearing aids. So I was born deaf and I grew up hard of hearing, and I received hearing aids when I was 10, and I learned American Sign Language when I was growing up, but I also mainly use English. So basically, what it's like being hard of hearing, it's really hard. Captions were my best friend. Reading, I learned to read lips really young, and hearing aids, people have the notion that if I talked, I couldn't be hard of hearing, and I had a lot of people stare at me for wearing hearing aids. So being hard of hearing wearing hearing aids was, as it was hard. A lot of people judged, so did my peers and my teachers. They didn't think